Welcome to Product eClass Information Product Creation. The information industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry that includes everything from online courses to ebooks, webinars, and coaching programs. And the best part is that anyone can create and sell information products, regardless of their expertise or experience. Did you know that Jason Fladlien accidentally stumbled upon how to turn a $4 ebook that had only 6 pages into a $50 million empire? Here's how he did it. The $4 ebook taught people how to write articles faster, and the average person could save up to 150 minutes a week with the method. The product was a hit because it showed people how to save time and make more money, two things that everyone wants. Jason recommends you follow his simple formula of one problem, one solution, and you will be highly successful. If you are ready to make your first information product and not waste hours or days getting started, then you will want to look at Product eClass. Here's what you will discover inside the 6-step process for creating a product, from idea to publishing. You'll also discover how to market your product effectively to attract high-spending customers and generate sales. You will discover how to grow your business by leveraging webinars, using paid advertising, and tapping into 3 little-known places where buyers can be found. So, if you are ready to discover all of this, then just click the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching.